Hey, welcome to the LTS channel. I'm Joel. We're back with another unboxing video. Today we're going over the web access controller and card readers. Let's see what's in the box. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need. The installation template, the web access controller itself. This sleek and durable design is built to look great in any setting. There's also a bag of accessories, inside of which you'll find a legal and regulatory information booklet, the installation guide, some cable ties, a pack of screws, and your L-shaped Torx key. The PoE access controller has user-friendly built-in operation systems, allowing seamless setup and management directly from your browser. Pair it with the PoE app for quick, direct lock and unlock capabilities and Bluetooth control from your smartphone. PoE access controllers are NDAA compliant for enhanced security and backed by a lifetime warranty, ensuring long-term reliability and peace of mind. It supports main and sub-controller mode with easy scalability of 20 controllers in total, managing a maximum of 40 doors, 1,000 users, and 5,000 cards. Simply slide the cover off. Here's a closer look inside the PoE web access controller. The device supports PoE, powering locks, and readers, reducing cabling costs. The web service can provide a hardware interface diagram to help to install the device. PoE offers a variety of card readers to suit your needs. Let's take a closer look at the three options available. These readers support contactless MyFair cards and use RS-485 and Wiegand communication protocols. In the next video, we'll show you how to request a Bluetooth card for our touchless access control solution. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment on what you want to see next.